everybody, ALE Floors again with another video here with Orlando Vacation. All right, so you got 4 days in Orlando. What are you gonna do? There's so many things to do in Orlando. So many, I stopped keeping count, honestly. Fun for families, couples, teens, kids, and those going solo. So if you have 4 days to enjoy the vast amount of attractions here, we've narrowed it down to help you out. But before we do that, remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified, notified of any new videos. All right. Day one, we suggest you have a hotel near all of the action. If you pick one near Universal and downtown, make sure they offer shuttles to Disney World, as Disney is about 20 minutes from Universal. And if you get a hotel near Disney, make sure they have transportation to the other attractions. If you book a hotel through Orlando Vacation, we can make sure to find those hotels that offer that for you. Let's start on the first day at the flagship park of Walt Disney World Magic Kingdom. If you're traveling during peak season, which is during the holidays in the summer, I suggest investing in paying for the Lightning Lane. This helps you get through the lines quicker. If you need to know how to navigate Genie Plus and Lightning Lane, see our in-depth videos on it. Now, the Magic Kingdom has several nostalgic rides such as It's a Small World and Pirates of the Caribbean. Make sure to pepper those in throughout the day. If you have Genie Plus, you can stack your reservations throughout the day to give yourself kind of a schedule. Now, if you're a thrill seeker, then you need to head straight to Tron Light Cycle. It's the newest coaster in Magic Kingdom. You need to grab lunch at a quick service like Tortuga Tavern or Casey's Corner. Now, for dinner, get a reservation to be our guest at or Cinderella's Royal Table. If you're going to be in the Magic Kingdom, you need to dine in an actual castle, unless you're from Europe or the UK where you actually have them. Make sure to have 3 p.m. open to catch that parade and be well caffeinated to be up for the amazing night show. Happily Ever After utilizes fireworks, pyro, music, and projections on the castle. You also get a glimpse of Flying Tinkerbell. All right, day 2, you're gonna need a park hopper, as you will be starting in Hollywood Studios and ending in Epcot. All right, Hollywood Studios has several heavy hitters with Rise of the Resistance and the whole Galaxy's Edge area. Slinky Dog in the Toy Story Land, Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway, and Rock and Roller Coaster in Tower of Terror. We suggest heading straight to Rise of the Resistance or getting a Lightning Lane for it. This ride is very popular and the wait does not go down. Enjoy Galaxy's Edge during the early morning before it gets too hot, then head to Toy Story Land. At lunchtime, grab food at the ABC Commissary before getting on the bus to Epcot. In Epcot, you can either choose to reserve dinner at one of the many countries or sample foods from the kiosks. Now, before heading to Epcot, have your Lightning Lane set for Cosmic Rewind or Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, as those go fast. For thrills, experience Test Track, and for edutainment, try Living with the Land. At night, enjoy the beauty of the night show, harmonious with music, different language, fireworks, lasers, and your favorite Disney characters. On day 3, we're leaving the Disney area and moving on to Universal Studios. You will need a park-to-park ticket because you're seeing 2 parks in one day. You're starting in Islands Adventure to hop onto Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure and the awesome Velocicoaster. These rides are the newest and most thrilling rides there. Explore Hogsmeade next and grab a butterbeer. Watch the Frog Choir and ride with Harry on the Forbidden Journey attraction in Hogwarts. You can spend hours in the Wizarding World, but make sure to also explore Marvel Superhero Island to ride Spider-Man and the Hulk Coaster. You can grab lunch at Fire Eaters and hop on the Hogwarts Express with your park-to-park ticket. When you arrive, you will be in Diagon Alley. Here you can catch a show of Celestina, have even more butterbeer, escape from Gringotts, and play with an interactive wand. Head to City Walk for dinner. We suggest toothsome if you have a sweet tooth, or Cowfish for sushi and burgers. Cowfish is amazing. You're gonna get some dishes that, like, the first time I went there, I was just like, what is this? It's delicious. That's what it is. Eat it. Day 4. Here you will be heading to SeaWorld Orlando. You can see all the amazing animals and ride thrilling coasters. If you have little ones, make sure to check out the Sesame Street area and the parade. It's even fun for adults who grew up on Sesame Street, like me. You can leave at lunch to enjoy either City Walk again, Disney Springs, or iDrive to grab any last-minute souvenirs. To make sure you get all you want to do in one package, give us a call at 1-800-641-4008, and Orlando Vacation Reservationists will be happy to put a package together for you within your budget and your schedule. And remember, for more tips and tricks, or if you just need help planning, visit us at orlandovacation.com, where we have the best deals and blogs to help you plan for your next Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.